Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. And today we're going to be talking about the benefits of lavender chamomile tea. If you're new here, I'm a board-certified behavior analyst. And I talk about all things related to health and wellness. This is one of my favorite teas to drink in the evenings to help me relax. It's very easy to make. You just add boiling water to a tea bag and let it steep for about 3 to 5 minutes. In fact, there was a study done that looked at the effects of lavender on anxiety. And what they found was that lavender aroma significantly reduced anxiety. They also found in another study that lavender scent improved mood and well-being and reduced feelings of depression, tension and anger. And then you can either drink it plain or you can add honey to it. Chamomile also has a lot of antioxidants and it can help with sleep and relaxation as well. If you have trouble sleeping or you have insomnia, I would highly recommend giving this tea a try. This video is not intended to diagnose or treat any condition. If you have a serious medical condition, please talk to your doctor about using lavender or chamomile tea. I personally like to add a little bit of honey to mine. So if that's something you're into, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss any new videos. Some people have described it as a floral taste that's a little grassy and a little bitter, but overall it's pretty mild. I hope you give the tea a try and I hope you have a wonderful day. So if you like floral things, if you like flowers, then you will most likely enjoy this tea. Today we're talking about lavender chamomile tea. Now, if you've never tried this tea or you've never tried lavender or chamomile tea, it has a very distinct floral taste. Now, in addition to tasting good, it also has some real medicinal properties. Another interesting finding about lavender is that it can actually reduce cortisol levels. Cortisol is a stress hormone. So if you have high levels of cortisol, it can lead to a lot of physical symptoms like muscle tension, stomach issues, gut issues, headaches, insomnia. So anything that can reduce cortisol is going to be helpful for people who are trying to reduce their stress levels. Not only does lavender have a lot of great properties, but chamomile also does as well. Chamomile is part of the Asteraceae family, which other plants in this family include ragweed and dandelions. And these plants have been known to have anti-inflammatory and anti-allergenic properties. So if you're someone who suffers from seasonal allergies or you get a lot of inflammation in your body, then drinking chamomile tea may be helpful for you. I would suggest drinking this tea about an hour before bedtime to help you wind down and relax and prepare your body for sleep. As always, I want to remind you that I am not a medical provider. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video.